Apply to your location. Distance is not a barrier. Give us a DM today for your own quality P.O.P cement. So here is our warehouse. You can see our warehouse. We supply at very affordable rates. Easy, easy, easy. So our men are working, easy offloading. This is double 20-feet containers loaded with P.O.P cement. DM us today and we supply to you at affordable rates to any of your locations. So we await your patronage. This is KPA chips. It's a quality P.O.P cement that every builder must use for casting of their P.O.P ceiling and for also screeding of wall. So guys, we await your patronage. Here we are at Odogunyan bus stop, Ikorodu, Lagos State. We deliver to any location. Distance is nothing to us. Both P.O.P cement, pillars, bond, screening paint, just name it, all accessories related to P.O.P products. We sell for you at affordable rates, waterproof cement. Now dig easy. These are the men wey chop belle food dey run am. No be for small children. That small boy wey come that time. You know if you do this work, Akaso. Madam, you can pass. So now we dey run am for this stand. Complete shutdown. You know easy. So please patronize us. Our products are very affordable and their quality. We say wholesale to both P.O.P engineers, resellers, or building contractors. Okay, let's go to shop and see how big our shop is. We supply at a very affordable rate. So here is our warehouse. We sell tiles also. In case you need to buy tiles at affordable rate, your quality tiles. So our men are busy offloading. Huh? Yes, yes, yes. Well done. Yes. Please don't forget to patronize us.